Hi guys! Can you hear the cicada sings in the forest? It is the hottest season of Korea. Though I don't make any move in my room, it makes me so sweaty. And I don't feel like cooking these days, for I want to stay away from fire. Today, I'm going to show you recipes that use least amount of heat. We're going to make a dessert using Korean popper. It is also called Korean magic pop. It is a snack that's made of rice. If you put rice in a machine that gives high pressure and temperature, it will explode like this. Tastes like a rice, but it has a low calories. It is really good for the diet and it could be utilized as a bread. It is also a gluten-free. So if you're ready, let's get started. Put 2 cups of roasted almond in the food processor and grind them into fine pieces. If you have a raw almonds, you have to roast them in the oven first. After you process it for 3 minutes, you'll notice that these almonds form a little bit of a ball, and you need to scrape down the edges and process it for 2 more minutes. It'll look like an actual butter. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt and espresso powder. I'll stir everything together. Spread 2 spoons of almond butter on Korean popper and place berry on top. I'll put blackberries, blueberries, and strawberries. It is going to be a perfect breakfast recipe. It is so healthy and so tasty. And then we'll move to a sweet dessert. I'm gonna cook 100 grams of milk chocolate in a double boiler. It'll melt in a few minutes. Then stir them all together to make it softer. spread the melted chocolate on Korean popper. I'll place berries on top, and I'll place salted pecan and coconut chip on the other. Cool them in the fridge for 10 minutes. You can have a chocolate-covered Korean popper dessert yourself, but I'll add some other elements. Pour green tea flavored ice cream on plain Korean popper. Then close them with a chocolate-covered Korean poppers. It looks like an ice cream sand. It is called Bung's cream. Crunchy taste of Korean popper will goes well with the soft texture of ice cream. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.